Hi.
Hi, Zoya. Hi.
Hi. How are you? How's everything going?
I'm very good. Thank you. How's it going with you?
Everything all good. Oh, luckily. Okay, लॉकडाउन 2.0 लग चुका है so what's the planning? काफी अच्छे से प्रमोशन and all चल रही है स्टोरी की.
Hopefully. I mean, we would have liked it to be in person. मतलब आप लोगों से मिल पाते और जगह जगह जा पाते तो it would have been much nicer. But I mean, very fortunate and all the gratitude for just being safe. सब ठीक है
Yeah,
आसपास. Believe friends are okay. Some are some are not okay also. But we'll fight through this. We'll fight through this.
definitely. Okay,
Yep.
like congratulations. ट्रेलर इतना हिट जा रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली जब रिलीज होगा तो सीरीज तो सुपर डुपर हिट जाने वाली है. आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट.
Yes,
बट
Bob? Are you?
yeah, yeah.
Great. I'll take your word for it.
But personally, what sort of response you're getting after the trailer?
It's been really nice. It's honestly been very positive, even from the people who are, sort of your critiques and do not please praise of things very easily.
Yeah,
अच्छा आ रहा है, review अच्छा आ रहा है, and people do connect with it, and I am very glad that people are connecting with it because it is a very very sensitive story, and it's a very it's told very beautifully. If people are liking the trailer, I'm very very sure they would love the series, and also I'm hoping that. But yes, I am pretty certain. और अच्छा
nowadays
response है.
that's great. Okay, nowadays actors काफी choosy होते हैं अपने script के लिए. So personally, why you choose this project?
Um, See, when this came to me, मुझे आइडिया बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था. आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर द फैक्ट कि बहुत ब्रेव कहानी बनाने जा रहे हैं. And they're talking about two men in love. I feel too many stories are not told about gay lovers or the other communities, which I feel कि यार होनी चाहिए. मतलब if we are wanting a society which is inclusive, which has everybody living in it, सबकी space है, सबकी जगह है, तो content भी ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. you know I feel there should be content about transgenders also. They have such interesting lives, and such strong people and characters they are. So I was very interested in it. Yes. कुछ चीजें थी which I had questions, and when I sat with the writers and everything, वो फिर we figured it out, we co-created, we just figured out इसको करना कैसे है. Once I knew how these guys are set out to do it, I was on board. I was very pleased. I was very excited कि यार ये तो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कहानी बताने जा रहे हैं. And then having Satyadeep and Priyamani also on board was exciting. So yes, I had all the reasons to do this.
Okay, what sort of role you're playing in this?
So I play a person called Preet Jaiswal. I mean, he's somebody who is, has a very broad thinking, is very evolved in terms of how he thinks. Again, he's gay, and he's come out, and he's very acceptant of the fact. His family is very acceptant of that fact. People have around him accepted how he is, and he came out very early, and he's very okay with it. And yes, he's a food critic. He's traveled around the world, has had also exposures to different cultures and different people. So also be understanding, or being evolved, and having come out really really early in life. So he's very sensitive. He's somebody who is very 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 considerate of people, their space, understanding, very compassionate, but at the same time he is very very focused on what he wants, especially love. Talking about Kunal, the person he loves, he will not force himself on his lover, or just be like, give me all the time, give me everything you have, I need everything from you. Knowing that he has a separate life, he still lets him live that life with the wife, because he understands the wife also is coming from a place of love.
Yeah,
She also genuinely loves her, so he gives him all that time and understanding, but at no cost is he going to leave him also. you know और Preet has more layers to him which you'll see when you see the series कि end तक उसमें यही नहीं है जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, उसके और अलावा there is जो surface पे शांत और स्थिर और very sorted नजर आता है, वो अंदर से कहीं ना कहीं complexities होती हैं और वो different situations में बाहर आती हैं. So yeah, so it was a very interesting character. आप देखोगे end में तो मजा आएगा. It's got layers.
Wow, super excited to see you. Plus, I want to ask you कि क्या कुछ challenges आपने face किए हैं, because it's something different. You are playing a something different character in this web series. So, what sort of challenges you faced throughout shooting, throughout workshop and everything?
Not really. I approach this part as any other part I would do. कोविड टाइम्स थे, वो थोड़ा मुश्किल था. हम लोग रिमोट एक होटल के अंदर रह के शूट कर रहे थे, मतलब रह नहीं रहे थे, बट सारा मतलब उसी जगह से हमने शूट किया. वी वर गोइंग होम एंड एवरीथिंग. बट डिफिकल्ट कुछ नहीं था, कोलैबोरेटिव था फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड you know what really goes in. What do you feel when you're not accepted by the society and you have to be made to feel guilty about a person if you love? वो कैसा होता है, मेरे को और आपको नहीं समझ आएगा. We are straight people. We I mean, there's no issue. You can go out and, you know, date or love whosoever you want, but it's very difficult life. हाँ, मतलब कोर पे इमोशनली तो वो सेम है. You know, आप मुझे जो एक लड़की से अगर प्यार होगा और a person who's gay, उसको जो लड़के से प्यार होगा, it's the same. The emotion is the same, the feeling, the longing, everything is the same. But how the society treats you is different. In is what I wanted to understand. तो I spoke to different friends of mine, you know. कुछ अभी भी बंधे हुए हैं, कुछ have come out of their closet, कुछ are very accepted, कुछ just wear themselves being gay on their sleeve, like they don't care, you know. Some are very scared. So हर तरीके के लोग होते हैं. So I had to understand exactly what it feels to be kind of left out, and all of us have been left out in some respect. Life में होता ही है कि कभी कहीं से आपको acceptance नहीं मिल रही, कुछ ना कुछ. तो it's a mix of both is how I derived this character from. And yeah, थोड़ा सा I just gained a little bit of weight also. Like if you see, I look a little heavy, matlab heavier with my beard and everything. I just wanted to look a little older than I do. So yeah, that was my, so to say, prep or understanding, or, you know, taking the character on.
Wow. Okay, like मैंने comments देखे ट्रेलर जो आउट हुआ है, उसमें जो comments है, इतने पॉजिटिव comments है. Like then I realized कि आज की जनरेशन कितनी जल्दी हर सिचुएशन को एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है, whether it's a transgender or anything, बहुत जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है the fact, जो भी फैक्ट रहते हैं. What's your opinion on that? Because मैंने सारे कमेंट्स देखे, सभी काफी पॉजिटिव थे, कोई भी like हार्डली एक दो नेगेटिव होंगे तो होंगे.
That's amazing. No, that's
positive.
Yes, that's what you want. And to be honest, there have not been negative comments. वो तो थोड़े कुछ सनकी लोग होते हैं, वो कुछ ना कुछ तो बोलेंगे. But it's just been very smooth. Yeah, it's been very nice. And I think the soul or the soul of the story, वो ट्रेलर में लोगों से थोड़ी सी कनेक्ट हुई है. You know, the love, the longing, the inacceptance, वो सब जो है वो थोड़ी सी लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट हुई. And I'm very happy that people are taking it in a right manner. And, you know, thinking is evolving. We are a young nation. At least we young people think, you know, are very acceptant, and, you know, think in a very open and broad-minded way. So it's great that it's evolving. People are thinking in the right direction. They're accepting. They're making it normal, and that's the whole point of making a series like this. That just make it normal, you know. Just it should be as normal as a guy and a girl, you know. जो थोड़ा समय लगेगा, because then we have our parents and people also who are a little backward, and, you know, conditionings हुई है, perceptions हैं. तो अच्छा है, मतलब रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा आ रहा है और स्मूथ आ रहा है और लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. आई मीन, उससे अच्छी बात क्या हो सकती है?
Definitely. Well, you know the best part about the series, I felt कि each character, जो भी character है इसमें, सभी को equally like equally निखर के आ रहे हैं. जितना मैंने ट्रेलर देखा कि जो भी कैरेक्टर है इसमें सब बहुत निखर के आ रहे हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि जो टॉपिक है लाइक ट्रांसजेंडर का जो इनका टॉपिक है वो ही
नहीं
सिर्फ
नहीं,
दिख रहे हैं,
transgender
बल्कि
gay,
ईच कैरेक्टर इज कमिंग लाइक वाओ
not not transgender gay,
के या
homosexual. या
तो
एब्सोल्युटली, सी तीनों तीनों की अपनी इक्वेशन है। मेरे कैरेक्टर की कुणाल सत्यदीप के कैरेक्टर के साथ और साक्षी प्रियामणि के कैरेक्टर के साथ, इट्स लाइक थ्री, it's not a love triangle, but it is three of these pillars around which the story revolves. And हर कोई invested है, हर कोई प्यार के लिए लड़ रहा है. Everybody wants their love and is longing, and it's a beautiful. I mean, everybody has their space in the story. वो
या
उतना equal part है. It's these two people being in love, but then Sakshi again, the wife, she really loved this man. He everything about this man. They were working together, business together, बच्चे हैं, family है, everything to be uprooted. So वहाँ एक अलग ट्रैक चल रहा है, वहाँ एक प्रॉपर ट्रैक चल रहा है. So yeah, every character is treated pretty equally. It is, मतलब वो कहानी ही ऐसी है, मतलब वो equally treated नहीं, वो कहानी इन तीन लोगों के बारे में है. And how we are as human beings, we just long for love, or we want love and the loved one. And situations sometimes do not support it, but yeah, मतलब प्यार के बारे में, everybody needs love and everybody needs a companion and everybody wants acceptance and their love to be smooth and easy and they don't have to chase and fight for it. So yeah, उसी की कहानी और तीनों के साथ वो हो रहा है.
definitely Mrinal, I want to know how was your overall experience working this web series, like हम कोई भी किरदार निभाते हैं तो उससे कई सारी चीजें हम खुद भी सीखने मिलती है, तो what all thing you learn from your character?
What all I learned, I mean, I was already aware and I already felt it's I'm only more opening up to to people, and how beautiful and how the one thing I would say I would want to take back is that as human beings, hum log, we are conditioned. We need to break it. We need to break the box. See, a family, your friends, your schooling does condition you, but you have to constantly keep challenging it. What you know is not the ultimate. So you have to push it and keep pushing it and think right. Not think कि यार मैंने ऐसा सोचा है, ये तो ऐसा होता है, ये ऐसा सुना नहीं. You have to analyze and open your horizon, like your thinking, and accept things, and accept everybody and give them their space, and have an inclusive society where everybody has their space to live and say and just breathe freely in under the blue sky. So yes, I am just more sensitive to it now.
Okay, how was your experience working with Satyadeep, Priyamini and other co-actor? Like मेरी प्रियामिनी से जब इंटरव्यू हुई थी तो उन्होंने कहा था कि सेट पे मस्ती करने का मौका नहीं मिला आप लोगों को, काफी कट टू कट शूट था. तो how was your overall experience?
हाँ, मतलब मस्ती करने का मौका कम मिला, but yeah, these guys are fun anyway, and we had a good time shooting. मतलब हमारा काम भी हमें, मतलब I feel the work is fun, and what we do and we get to create with good co-collaborators, it becomes fun. I mean, every day was smooth. I mean, these guys are amazing. These guys are very secure. अच्छे एक्टर हैं, अपनी तैयारी के साथ आते हैं. मतलब मेरे लिए तो this was amazing. Like I had great actors to work with and do my thing, and it only excited me. When I go on set, everything goes away. It is just that scene, that character, those people, and I do not care about anything. And these people were like that. No hang-ups, nothing, easy to work with, very giving as actors. Not much I could have asked for, actually. It just was a treat.
Okay, one thing I want to ask you, जब पोस्टर आउट हुआ था तो एक कंट्रोवर्सी आ गई थी विद द सेम पोस्टर. तो एनीथिंग जब पोस्टर आउट हुआ था. Hello.
I'm kidding. But yeah, I'm the wrong person to talk about it. I have no idea. बहुत सारे लोग साथ में काम करते हैं, हर किसी का अलग डिपार्टमेंट होता है. So I'm the wrong person to ask this question.
Okay. Okay. Lastly, anything you want to say to all the fans? Plus, I want to add this. Ki how was your experience collabing with All Balaji, who is coming up with us amazing content?
It's great, on the part of All Balaji and Ekta ma'am, that they are, getting these stories through and making this content, and all kudos to them. And to make this story and make it nicely, make it be sensitive to it, and make it show it in the right light, and do everything it can for it to seem normal. Two people in love.
Yeah.
That's about it. That's what it is. So yes, it's amazing that they are getting stories like this happen, and I'm very, very fortunate and happy and thankful to be a part of it. And yeah, I mean, I wish ऐसी कहानियां बताने का और मौका मिले. Yeah, that's what I wish for.
And anything you want to say to all the fans when it is releasing?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to say times are tough. Just be home, stay safe, खाओ पियो मौज करो. और 25 तारीख को हिस्टोरी आ रहा है, so just watch it, stay home, watch it. Like, what else do you need? So I mean, I reassure you, I mean, I assure you rather, अगर आपको ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा है तो सीरीज भी आपको अच्छी लगेगी, because it just beautifully dwells into these three characters, their lives, जो 3 कैरेक्टर्स आपको दिखाए जा रहे हैं, जिनकी ये कहानियां, ये आप, they'll take you deeper inside of their relationships and their equations and everything, and it's beautifully written and it's beautifully told. And I would ask you to try few episodes and see it for yourself, and reach out, let me know what you think. And yes, enjoy it. We put our love and sweat in it, and yes, hope you like it too.
Okay. Thank you so much, Vinal. It was amazing having a conversation with you. And all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Zoya. Thank you for your time.